All right. At the last meeting, I talked about the idea that you can use on an iPad, you can use the docking area at the bottom to rearrange your icons from screen to screen. So I'm just going to demonstrate that on the iPad itself. So, okay. So along the bottom, of course, you see those are like more or less, they're the icons that more or less stay where they are. The first 5 are kind of permanent, but the 3 on the right are the ones that when you bring up an app, it kind of leaves it there so you can. It's similar like on Windows 10 where you have it sort of like resident, so to speak. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that area to move around some icons. But okay, here we go. The thing I want to do is I want to get to a screen that has available space on it. And I'm going to move 2 of the docking icons up into that area so that I have 2 available slots to use. The Weather Channel and Google. I'm going to say I want to move that. You see that ShopRite app or icon up there? Or well, let me do a different one. You see the Team Viewer one. I want that to be on my home page. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop it down into the docking area. I don't think it didn't work. Okay, there it is. Okay. Now, as I move to the home page, you can see that it stays there. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to. I need one more slot up on the home page, one more empty space. So I'm going to now move one of the icons down into the docking area. Okay. Now, the Team Viewer one I'm going to put on the home page. Okay. Now, I'm going to go back to the page that has some available space on it. I'm going to move that Amazon Alexa, and now I'm going to restore my 2 other icons that were there before. And that's it. It's, in my opinion, it's easier than trying to drag that icon across several screens, and you have to move one of these other icons out of the way and that sort of thing. So, that's it. It's pretty easy, and that's my story.